Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, October 18th. We continue with the book of Awakening from Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled The Whole Body. He prefaces this essay with a quote from Starhawk. Earth Mother, you who are called by 1,000 names, may all remember we are cells in your body and we dance together. If you have ever flown, you know that from just below the clouds, the roads are like arteries and the cars are like cells. From above the traffic, it becomes clear that though we all have places to go, we just keep circulating through the streets. We race and pause and stop and start, never sure if the roads we are turning on will be congested or barren and free. For example, every day, I flip my blinker and drive down Washington Avenue. Some days, there isn't a car and the lights are all green. Other days, I have to wait and I get irritated. But whether I'm early or late by my time, the dilation and constriction of events, it's something beyond my control. In truth, like little cells, we race up and down pathways, collecting and dispersing, feeling crowded, then lonely, and somehow just doing so keeps the world body healthy. Like blood through a body, we are life pumping through the streets. Even waiting at a light, we are helping life go on. Huh, what an interesting take on things. I like that. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, remind yourself that there is nothing that needs to be fixing. Not this moment, not you, not your breath. See if this reminder helps you feel some spaciousness, some freedom. Enter a space in which all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now imagine that you are rushing somewhere and suddenly there is a crowd. Whether it's car traffic or people traffic, how does that feel? Wanting, needing to get somewhere quickly and suddenly being stopped. How does it feel in your body? What thoughts might you be having? How does it feel in your heart, in your belly? And now see if you can imagine just letting go of where it is you need to be, where you're going, and simply stop and breathe. In and out. Easy, rhythmic breathing. Take a few breaths like this right now. Easy inhale. Easy exhale. Letting go of your expectations, of your need to be somewhere right this second. See if you can breathe out your concerns and feel yourself as a healthy cell whose simple movement, whether it's fast or slow, is cleansing the world's body. How does that feel? And now set an intention to actually do this. Next time you find yourself in a crowd, simply breathe and imagine yourself as a cell, clearing the world body by whatever it is you're doing. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of your body, of your practice, scan your body. Please don't let go of your body. Scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to put this little visualization we did in practice. As always, enjoy your discoveries, whatever they are. And if you manage to do this, to practice this, share your experience with us here. It would be very curious to see. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.